So in order for you to make a recycle basket, choose the least favorite candidate and pretty much shred him or her to pieces by measuring 1¼ inch high strips. Draw them all the way through and then pretty much start shredding. You can use any type of quality. It could be a good quality tarpaulin or less quality tarpaulin. It's all good. You can even use a sack if you'd like. But sack we're going to cut a bit differently. You're going to measure twice as thick, which is 2½ inches in total. And we're just going to cut it. You don't even need to draw the line. You just cut it straight because this socket is weaved, so you can just follow the closest line, and it's easy to cut. So now we have clean and good tarpaulin, and we have not very good tarpaulin. We can easily combine it because we need to double the strip for our basket. I do recommend to make basket nice and clean, so all the printed sides we will put inward. And now, as you can see here, we have two strips. We'll go ahead and cross it together, and the strip that is above the other one, we will try to form a letter V, upside down letter V. And then the strip to the right we'll put behind and over, just as such. And then the strip that is on the right hand side down there, we will take it and we simply gonna push it through that little hole that we've created, just like that. And since it's doubled, it might be a little bit of a challenge to put two of them through, but you'll get used to it. And now we're gonna go ahead and tighten everything, and look at this beautiful square that we have created. So in order for us to continue, we're just gonna take any strip of this square, and any strip would totally work, and we're just gonna pretty much kind of repeat the sequence. Do you see this V forming again? That's right. So we're just gonna go ahead and again, the strip that's to the right, put under and over, and then the strip that's on the bottom, we're gonna put it through that hole that we have just created, just like that. Nice and easy. Yes, it's actually a really simple and satisfying pattern to weave. And now we're gonna go ahead and tighten this square. Please don't forget to tighten. Tightening is important. And now, as we do it one by one, moving forward, we end up with 14 different strips. So our width of a basket would be 14 squares. And in order for us to continue, we have to turn this work that we've done around and continue pretty much the sequence by forming a V, putting it under and over, and squeezing in the strip in the beautiful hole and tightening it nicely. It's extremely important to tighten it well. Please don't skip the step. As tighter you make it, as better, but please don't overdo it, because if it's too tight, it's also not gonna look nice. So try to find a balance in this beautiful work. So after we did our first square of the second row, now you will see that you don't need to add any more extra strips. We're just gonna work with the existing strips. So just as such, we're pretty much repeating the same pattern. As you can see it, it is simple, it is easy, it is fun to do. It comes down the nerves, so why not doing it? Let's just make it happen. So, and once again, putting the strips through the hole that we just created, and now we can simply go ahead and tighten it all together. So how do we tighten? Please follow first horizontal strip, and then after that the vertical one. Know that this vertical and horizontal strips, they do continue. So it is continuous. Now let's go ahead and make another beautiful square next to it. So just exactly the same technique, putting it over, squeezing it in the empty square space that we've created, and the strip that we have down below, we put it in that hole that we have. Trying to enjoy the process, there is no need to rush. As more relaxed you are, as faster actually the weaving process goes. So just try to relax your muscles, shoulders, hands, whatsoever. And as soon as you form the square, the next thing you do is you're going to tighten. Again, you follow the strip, vertical and then horizontal. Look how much extra strips we end up having. So here we are. I actually wanted also to share with you guys how do we extend our strips. So as a reminder, the strips that looking a bit more cleaner and brighter, we will put it at the front, and the ones that are not that good of a quality, we'll put it in the back. And simply we're gonna connect two things together. It's super simple. You just, all you need for it is a stapler. Any type of stapler would work. And then let's say we're extending one of the sides of berry looking strip. It's all just the same, just like that you extend it. Also, coming back to our sack, I remember we cut it way wider, twice as wide. So the way we would attach it, pretty much we put all the colorful things inward, so we have a very clean, beautiful strip canvas. And we try to put both of the sides inward and make it equal. And then, just like that, the same way, we attach the strip. The strip, for example, that I had underneath could have been cutted, but it's better to keep it there. Just fold it, keep it in there, because we don't want to burn extra plastic. We don't need to burn the strip or throw it away. We can just use it to straighten our basket. And again, repeating similar process when it comes to our sacket, just exactly same way. And here's our final, so to speak, carpet. It's 14 by 9. This is how it looks. We definitely need the bottom of the basket, so we'll form 4 by 4 square carpet as well. And see you in part 2.